Pucha, may ratter pa.
I see Dark Blue not moving also. I think it's lagging also. This timer, bro. Yo, who has the banner?
Bobcats, let's go. Bobcats comes.
Yeah, thank you.
We'll come back, Curious. After we launch.
Alright. Yo, defensive tanks and I think DPS come to the den and then just buy siege hammers.
Asa mo?
I'm in Westfield 3. Kaninong mic yan nagli-leak? Please patay please. Thank you. It should have been easy. That's why I yelled easy. But then again, I was wrong. We kept on making mistakes.
Sa
One
ticket,
after the
ano
other.
na to?
Anong sa ticket? Hindi,
Ticket.
bibili ako dito sa ticket.
Ah,
Come to ticket boys, I mean ticket then. Buy siege hammers please, thank you.
Careful sa ano. Sure, Gonker.
Oh, it's cheap. Yeah, siege banner. Alright, let's go.
Noong log.
Full push is must, so yeah, let's see. Let's make them as our practice bag. I see healer scouting us. Come. Stop stepping. Just spread out. Tangkay. What's the Indo for spread?
Rook, minamur.
Come.
Ay, naman. 14 minutes, oh.
Mishi, nakikita mo pa RBG? Hindi.
nandito na ako sa ticket.
Sige.
Nag-join.
Pabantayan na muna ako sa Papantayan ako ng Southwest.
Sige.
Talagulit. Yo, all of your is inside. 3, 2, 1.
Nasa-loob yung caller Orios.
They're expecting us, I think. Start hammering, please.
Ba't dito kayo? Open naman dito sa kabila eh.
O ano? Tara, connect. Alahang lag ka talaga. Kiwi, can you use your hodge, please? Thank you. Drop your east, boys. Drop your east. Dugnim. Map check. Yo, mute, okay? Okay, kill this. You see me? Kill this, please. Thank you.
They have one shot crossbow, okay?
Look at me. 3, 2, 1.
Or yung mag-double si Bakit.
Yeah, double OC, please. My tanks, be careful, Dark Blue, be careful there. Boys, be careful over the walls, please. And then don't aggro anything. Don't aggro the northwest. Hello? Come step on me. Step on the crown. Look at me. Okay, good.
Kaya bilhin mo lang ka ng food sa doon.
Sige. 3, 2, 1. Drop your E. Na-aggro na lahat ng mga... Ayos Boys, be careful, ah. Look forward. Hammer the walls also if you have hammers, please. Thank you.
Naka-jacket ko rin assassin.
Are they masked or are they not masked?
Gabi, tatlo lang tayo may hammer.
Mas ata merong death tank dito sa den.
Mishi, asan ka?
Southwest ng ticket.
Okay, thank you.
May nag-zone na Avalonium 6.3 na ano. Yung
Natin
buff
ba
na
yan?
dagger.
Aval... Nom...
Abal known.
Mhm.
Where is Hotdog? Hotdog, you here? Oh, okay.
Baka mag-solo bomb yan
Anong
Mag-isa
ano
lang.
yan?
6.3 na yung dagger na pang bomb.
Okay, okay. Everybody come in, come in. Kill the mobs here. You see, you see, you see.
Lumabas
Ano lumabas?
Sila, southeast mo.
Yun ang lalim mo dun. Kill the mobs here.
Tagal ata nila magmas. Apat pa lang sila eh.
Double OC, double OC. Southeast
May
3, 2,
nag-zone
1.
konti lang.
Sige lang, come southwest. Okay. Boys, stay with me. We don't have engage. We cannot brawl that mage. Take our time here. Double OC by the way. Northeast, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Demon please. Demon armor please. Okay. Come back guys. You're gonna die there. Come back, come back. Red Matchet bomb. Ready northeast, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now I think we can roll. They're not coming out.
Rootbound please.
Root bomb now. Let it fit.
Def na lang siguro nila eh. Tapos.
I don't know who to give this territory. I'm gonna ask normal. Tomorrow if we take all the territories, we'll be resuming everything.
Nakalagay yata sa alliance chat eh.
Hotdog, I think they're not coming.
Ba dun, no?
Everybody mount up, come NE. Come northeast here.
Putang ina, sayang di nahuli.
Yo, right now I'm gonna look for contents for us to practice. For my second party, you guys are free to go. If you still want content, come follow me. My first party, I'm gonna hold you a little bit longer, okay?
Wala na second party.
Alright, it's fine.
Na-dissolve na.
Join me, Mishi.
Mag-out na rin ako. Magsusundo na ako. GG.
Wait. Wait. Come northeast, boys. It's crazy how when we fight, right? I see a lot of people. Were you guys lagging, Mordor?
Yes,
Hindi
I'm
naman.
lagging.
I can't see your chats, ah. I can only see your.
No.
They say no.
Then how come we are dying?
Yung iba no, yung iba yeah.
Yeah, okay, I see. Yeah, cause I was wondering why we're dying over clap compositions when there's no brawl and then it's the territory also. Yeah, come northeast, please. I kinda don't understand that part,
Yung mo
but
to.
yo, hotdog, you take this, right? Come northeast. And then come southeast here. Oh my god. Oh, it's kind of far. Come southeast. Yo, hotdog, you take outpost, right? Come southeast. Yeah. Hotdog. You take outpost. Take outpost. Hold southeast gate, boys. Hold southeast gate. Hold on. Ano tawag nito? Okay, come southeast here. The only problem I have whenever I'm calling is that if I'm lagged, I can't like direct your positioning properly. And then I kept on dying on the front, motherfucker.
Teka, ikaw na lang mag-isa eh. Layo na nag-drag mo eh.
Ay.
Nahuli ka ata. Naglag ka na. Tele, kayo ko.
I think this is the problem when we are not on sync. Even for Mordor, we're making a lot of mistakes really. But the best
밤
part for that
10시 이후 미성년자는 사용할 수 없습니다. 청소년 여러분은 사용을 종료하시고
work it
귀가해
out for us,
주십시오.
you know. I just hope that allies could catch up early. Yeah, I can see Delta. The ones I can't see is the Whisper, Guild Chat, Party Chat, and Alliance Chat. I can't see anything. But what I can see is the Say Chats. Yeah, I mean, there's no mistake on today, except for that we are lacking on defensive tanks. Maybe we got like 5 defensive tanks there, we could have stopped them. Like how we used to stop them, right? You know, fights like that, especially on clap enemies, all we needed to do is stop them from engaging. When, like, if you see them on, oh, there's a blob, come. If we like see them using their helmets, oh, there's another blob, come southeast. And then hold on the rock here, on my ping. Scouts, push in, please, thank you. Hotdog, I think we fight on plateau. Can you help me?
Alvari, PSC.
Cabalrio.
Yeah, plateau.
Ano
Red circle, pre.
Yeah, come northwest a bit. Come northwest a bit. I think they're full
Ano to?
rolling.
Halo-halo ata to.
Bro,
Yeah, I
Full
know.
brawl.
We have demon armors, right? Come southeast here. Yeah, we have armor. Yeah. Okay, start catching them now. Pag na-J mo dyan.
Mahuli ko yung nasa likod.
J.
Ito.
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 Yo, catch him. Nice. Dismounted. QW.
Dismounted na sa harap mo.
Yeah. Come northwest. Come. Start kiting now. Come northwest. You're fine. Just heal. You're fine. Nice demons. Good job.
Ito.
Come northwest. Come up northwest. Trust me. Boys.
Don't
Come up,
dismount anything.
Come up
Ano
northwest.
yun?
Turn southeast. Southeast 5, southeast 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast now. Ginee mo. And then come south and spread. Potion now. Drink your potion. You're fine. Spread. Come southeast. Southeast, boys. Southeast. You're fine on the southeast. Spread. Double OC. Patrick, ka back. Spread. Demo now. Come south, boys. South. Ready, east. Shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East now. And then spread out. Depth. Spread. Guys, you guys are fucking retards. Come west side. Spread out. Heal inside the Judy. Spread out. Heal Patrick. Heal Creed.
Sa
North.
Judy, please.
Spread. Ready inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside us now. And then go east. Roll on the east side. Oh my god. Come north.
Issues.
Come north.
South mo.
Come north. Everybody come north. And then demon now. Demon. Somebody heal me. Yo, Hotdog, where are you? Come northwest. Come north. Mound. Come north. Heal me. Ready. Southeast 5. Last turn. 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast now. Blow this up. And then spread out. Keep coming north. Guys. Unbelievable. Figure and come back. Yo, allies, just get out. Mordor, come to our comms. Fuck. How retarded can you be? I'm saying come south. Why do you fucking follow allies on the southeast? Damn, bro, like it's so irritating, bro. Like legit, it's so irritating. The fuck? I kept on shouting, come south. Everybody full push to north side. Like, how crazy can you be?